¿Vamos a la casa? A la de allá. ¿Van a entrar, sí o no? Entremos, ya estamos acá. Vamos aquí. ¿A qué? A la casa. Mírame la cara. Vea, uy, qué bonitas uñas. Saludalo. ¿Y también las tuyas?
Ay, mira las uñas.
Wow. Las botas de Manuel.
A ver, Jenny, te tomo una foto.
No. Tome la foto. A ver.
Shit, I think I'm going to church tomorrow. Hold on. Oh my God! Mom! Are you going in? Are you going in?
Someone get their baby. Someone get their baby. Actually, my mind doesn't. You can't touch me.
Not anymore.
Can I take a picture?
Your nails are tough.
Can I take a picture with you? Ew!
Touch her, touch her.
Ew! 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 Ew!
Ew.
Man, can I? I'm a fan. Can I take a picture? Oh, please. Can I take a picture?
You're done?
Did you do your face paint?
Let me do it.
No.
You have to do it.
No, you don't.
It's the
No, you
rule.
don't. No,
It's
you
the
don't.
rule.
No, you don't. Oh, what the fuck?
There's a car there.
Sorry.
It's
Sorry.
okay.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Okay.
Or,
Wait, what is it? Did you do your?
it's doo-doo.
Oh.
Yeah, it's on you there. Oh, scoop. It's scoop. I got it from the porta potty.
You want to take
There's an infection, the creepy hollow.
More
The
cowbell?
only cure.
More cowbell?
More cowbell. More cowbell. You want to?
Oh, I hate cowbell. I hate it.
Hi, buddy.
I have a gift for you. You don't want a gift?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Dude, they got the little glowy stick.
Is that the busted?
Oh my god.
Ah.
Oh my god, bro.
That's not my name.
How you doing? I'm sorry.
Ah.
How you have a great night, sir.
Wait, can I have some?
That actually felt kind of good. That felt really good.
Okay.
Let me get in the ear. Let me go in the ear. Let me see the other one.
Is it dirty?
No.
No? Okay.
It's stinky. It's got.
Stinky. You're stinky.
You're right.
I just washed it. Oh.
Did he actually just lick her ear? Oh no! Oh my god! Oh, that's so funny.
You should look behind you.
Somebody else.
There's not much where to run.
Like you were scared earlier. You just want to come check out the spider fest with everything in the life you crafted. Got a lot of stuff made from local artists. Oh shit!
Why you spit?
Don't walk away from me, Katie.
He can sense fear, can he? He knows you're the big one. He can sense fear.
Why are you hiding behind them? You're taller than them. It doesn't work that way.
Make them do it. You take a photo?
Yeah,
Send it to
Katie.
Dr.
Take a
I'm sweating, bro. Can we get a selfie? Good. Good. Hold on. We're good. Wait, I want to get a selfie. You weren't looking at me. Wait.
I was.
Come on. No, please don't. No. We're good. Can we handshake? Handshake, please. No. No. Oh no.
Go take a selfie back here. Look, take a selfie. Take a selfie, look. I want to pick
He's so scared. Right there. Okay, I'm gonna take a selfie with you. He wants to take a selfie. He wants to take a selfie. He did.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. They're not going to save you. They're not going to save you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm nice. I'm nice. So nice.
It's her first time out in a minute.
It's going to be her last time. First time and last time. Why are you against the wall like that? What are you doing?
I put my finger in your hole.
It's okay. Can I use some of your hair? Can I use some of your hair? You won't. No, you won't say that.
No, that's your friend, girl.
You can't go nowhere, down there.
Okay. Where are you going?
Just get, hug him. He's your friend. Look. Look, that's it.
Oh.
I love your nose ring.
I like your costume.
Don't say that. Don't say that. That's what I want you to say. Oh.
Let him touch you. Yeah, I don't know, bro.
Holy shit.
He had long legs. Very not. Very not. Huh? Take you in?
Hold on. I can't see. Oh, hell.
Do that again.
I'm not doing anything. I'm just standing there. You want to come inside? You want to come in? You want me to come in? Is that what you said?
Y'all, he's coming in with you.
This one moves too. Oh,
Don't lose our place in life.
I'm coming. We're going to be best friends. So it's okay. It's okay. It's going to be okay. I promise. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
She wants to see you too, Bubba.
What's wrong, yeah?
Can I eat your hair? Can I eat your hair? I'll go away.
What?
Can I eat your hair? I'll go away.
He's bald.
You said I could do it.
Nicely done.
You can attract.
That's gotta be the best job.
Oh.
Damn.
I can't tell if you work here or go into a heavy metal concert.
I don't know. I have depression.
Are you listening to the good sounds? The good music?
This nigga's following behind me. Move back. Move back. What the fuck?
Go
This is scary. Hey!
Hi.
Damn it!
Okay.
Can I see your nails? When did you get them done?
Mm.
They're not. Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. Oh,
Ah.
never mind.